So this is a part 2 video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to grow your Instagram for affiliate marketing organically. I'm going to show you how to do content remodeling. That means using other people's content and remodel those content, and I'm also going to show you hashtag research step by step. This video will little bit longer, so stick to this video and watch the video till the end. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel, watching few of my videos. If that makes sense, if that is helping you, subscribe my channel, put the bell notification, and do not forget to like this video, because this is an organic traffic. No paid ad has been used, no paid tools has been used, free traffic method which will help you to make some money with your Instagram. And right now I'm using this new Instagram page, and I'm going to grow this page in front of you step by step. And then guys, in the last video I have showed you how to build an authority, which is really important if you are growing in a crowded niche. Okay, if you have a crowded niche like health, wealth and relationship, you have to build authority, you have to niche down, you have to create relevant content, and you have to provide values through your content, and you have to make sure you're having a amazing style and theme so that you can stand out, and you have to be consistent. And I'm also going to show you marketing strategy in upcoming videos. So building authority is really important here. And today let's talk about content remodeling and hashtag research. So when it comes to guys content remodeling, the number one thing is like creating your own content. There is no substitute of creating your own content. Fresh content is always rewarded in Instagram or any other social media. So here you can see this guys, this is one of the account in Law of Attraction Live. And here you can see they create their own content, they have their own design, right? That's what they are doing this guys, so that they can stand out here. So they have like vibes of the day, right? Affirmations, all these things are created by them. Okay, so creating their own content and in their own design, right? Having own design is going to help you to stand out and also help you to get the sales also. Okay, whatever the niche it is. Okay, for example, in the keto diet, this is one of the page of keto. Here you can see they have their own blue colors here in these videos, even if they are using other people's content, but they are branding them with their own colors and all those things. Okay, so that they can stand out. So creating your own content are really important, right? Any niche, but we are talking about remodeling the content. For that guys, you must follow some of the account, okay, 5 to 10 account in Law of Attraction, which is having some big pages and more like small pages, which I covered in the last video also. And then what you have to do, you have to leave the first 9 posts, because that might be posted recently only. Leave the 9 posts and then go down here and find the post which is called best performing post, okay, which is performing very well, which is have more likes and right comments. For example guys, here you can see this post have like 32k views and like 2000 like comment in this, like 44,000. This one is best performing over this one, right? I'm going to take this post to post in my account here. Any niche guys, this method always work. The best performing post, okay, look at this one right here. I have like 6,000 comments in this, and here I have only 3,000 comments on this. Okay, so I'm going to use this kinds of best performing post in my Instagram here. So like this, you can find all the best performing posts from here. Look at this, right? Before November ends, this is one of the posts. Here you can see it's have like 54,000 views, likes here, and 6,000 comments. And here you can see 55,000 right views and comments. And here you can see vibes of the day. So this works amazing for me. I'm going to use this content in my page, as well as you can also check the small pages, because small pages also going to help you a lot. As I said, leave the first 9 comments and look at this one. Okay, this have like 1,500 likes and comments. And here you can say this one, right? 2,567 likes and 700 comments. You can use their content, okay, this content in your page. Now if you're into the keto niche guys, this strategy work little bit different here. So I have a keto page guys, which I'm growing right now. I have like 5,000 followers on that. Right now I'm not going to show you that account, but I grow that account from 0 to 5,000 followers within a 2 month guys, using this strategy which I'm going to share you here, especially for keto niche. So what you're going to do guys, here also you're going to do the same thing. You go to pages which is having their own content guys. Okay, do not go to those pages who is reposting other people's content. Go to those pages who is creating their own content. For example, look at the branding of this page, okay, and look at this. They might be posting other people content that I'm going to show you in a second, but they are also, guys, branding with their color. Look at these colors and all those things. So I grew that account from 0 to 5,000 followers, guys, within a 2 month by posting. I'm sharing my strategy to you guys, and that is like I am only posting the best performing post as well as the success stories. If you click in this, guys, you're gonna see the success story of somebody else. So you can write the caption properly and look at this. This success story they have posted from a girl eats keto, okay, some other accounts. So you have to find an account, guys, who is posting, who got the result from keto, who used the keto diet and they got the results. And more you post that kind of a content, you're gonna get the result fast. That's how I am growing that. That's the strategy I'm using. Here you can see this is the account owned by this girl, and she has having her own results. Okay, you can take out any of her images and you can post in your page, but make sure, guys, you are giving the credit to them. Okay, like this page. Okay, look at this. This is a page who are posting other people's content as well as the best performing content. Okay, this is one of the best performing content they have posted here. Okay, they have posted here, like look at this videos, but they are also posting other people's images. If you click in this, they wrote amazing caption here. All the profile story has written here. They have not credited properly here. No issues. Let me check some other one like this one here. Here you can see they wrote this story about her and they have given the credit also. Look at this. Gluton to gorgeous. If you go to this account, you have to find guys almost like 50 or 100 every day, some accounts which is getting their own results. Okay, so she has got her own result with keto. You can post this thing in your keto page. If you have a keto page, write the same caption how she wrote. Okay, and at the bottom, do not just write credit. Okay, that's a really bad word in the internet, giving like using the word credit. But instead of that, guys, write a good description that you have got these images from this page. Okay, Gluton to gorgeous. Okay, just give her name, write a good, appreciate her on that comment. Okay, and that caption, and you'll get many people, guys, who got the results from this, as well as sometimes they're also sharing their recipes also. So you can take that recipe videos and you can post in your keto page. That's how I am growing one of my account, guys. I shared you the two strategies. Okay, getting the best performing post as well as posting other people's success story in keto niche. So let's go back to our niche here, and that is the law of attraction. So here what we're going to do, right, we're going to find the best performing post here. So I think this is something which is good for me, which I can post here. Like, look at this here. You're manifesting. Look at the likes I got, comments I got over, right? All of these two posts, I think this one is good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this. If I'm posting from desktop, okay, I'm also going to show you how you're going to do this thing from phone also. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like, I'm going to take this screenshot, but I'm not going to post the screenshot here. I want to brand my own branding. Okay, so I'm going to select this one and I'm going to save in my desktop. Okay, here, and then guys, I'm going to use this app called Google Keep. Okay, this is free tool, anybody can use it, and you can click here and image. Okay, select the image, this which you have saved, open here, and let this app read the image. Okay, once if you read, you will get an option of, right, just where is it, in the bottom right, click here and you'll get an option of grab the image text. Look at this. So look at this, the moment you grab this one with one click you can grab the text here. And now I'll use another app, guys, called, right, Canva here. Okay, so everything is ready here. So like angel message. Okay, this is how I am posting here. So I'm going to remove this here. I'm going to put here, okay, angel message. So like this, you can create rest of this post and all. So here, guys, I did a lot of research here. I want to show you in the last few months, I have did the research like to find what is working in my page. So I branded my page with this brown and little bit white color here. As well as, guys, I also found this one nobody was using, guys, called angel message. If you copy again, you will not going to make a sale. Maybe you're going to make some followers but not sale. So I came up with my own idea here, like angel message. Nobody is using this one. and then I tested this one. Angel message work amazing for me. And then I was also testing affirmation like this, but this literally failed. I posted so many affirmation posts, never worked for me. Then I came up with another one, that is guys, positivity note. Nobody was using this, so I came up with this called positivity notes. Okay, this works amazing for me. So this is how guys you're going to do the research, and you have to find what works for you. So now once I remodel the content here, all the post is ready here, then I'm going to download this post in my device here. So I'll get to download different pages, but I'm going to download only the page 1, and I'm going to say download here. Okay, that's how I'm going to download this thing in my device, and then I'm going to post in my Instagram. To post or schedule the post in my Instagram, guys, I'm going to use this free tool from Facebook called Creator Studio. This is like business.facebook.com Creator Studio. From Creator Studio, you can post in your pages and group, as well as also you can schedule the post in your Instagram also. Okay, it's completely free from a desktop. I'm also going to show you from the phone. Okay, so now here you have an option called like Instagram feed or IGTV. So I'm going to select like Instagram feed. So here I'm going to get the option of post as well as to upload the content. So if you click here, right, you can say that upload the file. Okay, and then you're going to upload the post from here. Okay, so this will be the post, and then you have to write a good caption here, and then once if you write the caption, then give little space with a dot, right? That's how I'm posting. Then I already have all the hashtag which I keep in Google Keep. So I'm going to show you the hashtag research within a second, right? So watch the video till the end, and if you're enjoying the video, smash the like button right away right now and subscribe the channel. So we'll go to this here, and I'm going to put the hashtag here. Okay, just putting some of the dots here, right? If you're a new account, it's good to give this kinds of call to action here, and that's it. Caption is ready, as well as right hashtag also, and it will show you all the character which you used in the bottom. Here you can see the hashtag also, how many hashtag is still left. Okay, all those things you can see. The only drawback of this scheduler is, right, you can't put your captions in the comment section. So if you're practicing that, you can't do with this scheduler. Okay, but there is nothing wrong in posting here. And then guys, you can tag that, target there. Okay, so I'm targeting like Los Angeles, California, right? So whatever your tagging is, I'm just giving an example here. Okay, and you can also auto post from here in your page if you have the page, right? And once if you're done here, okay, then you can go and publish this, but you'll also get an option of schedule this one. So I want that it should schedule right today at right 5 p.m. Okay, so you should know what is the right time for you and which country you're targeting. So I know this is the right time for me, so 5 p.m. and I'm going to say like schedule here, and here you can see this, guys, your post has been successfully scheduled, and here you can see, and then you can engage with your audience whenever they type yes and all. That's really important. You're engaging on that same time, so you don't need to worry about scheduling. So once you create this kinds of content, it's a 1 hour of work, guys. Do the right content research, find the good best performing content, schedule the post here, and that's it, guys. And now if you're doing from your phone, then you can use this app. This is again free. You can download from Google Play. Okay, like Facebook Business Suite. Okay, which I am using because most of my post I'm posting from my phone only. So I use Facebook Business Suite to schedule my post and to repost or to download other people's content. This app in your phone called Repost for Instagram. There are many, you can get any of this, okay, but I'm using this one. And to copy the text, again you can use the Google Keep in your phone itself, or else you can also use the Text Fairy. Okay, this is also help you to copy the text. Now let's do the hashtag research. So here you can see I kept all of my hashtag sets in the Google Keep so that I can post from my phone anytime here. And these are the 3 sets of hashtag which I'm using for this new account here. Now you have to do the first thing with your hashtag is you have to find the relevant to your niche and post related hashtag only for your account. For example, you can see if you're a beginner, you're just starting out, you don't have any followers. Okay, it's have like 600 followers. That really not matter here, just started, not regular, so it's consider this as a new account here. So what I'm going to do is to reduce my work, I'm going to follow some relevant pages which is like having 5,000 or less followers. Okay, making sure that having like 5,000 or less followers, as well as they're having a engaging post. Okay, no engagement, no social media account. Okay, no followers is important there. So here you can see this have 10,000 followers, it is also okay, but I'm going to find like something like 5,000 and less there, and then I'm going to see, right, whether they're posting regularly, have a good engagement in their post. Then I'm going to select their post and I'll get an idea of what kind of a hashtag they are posting here. So now it's very easy for me, right, to get the idea of the hashtag here, because I'm just starting out, so I can't do the engagement velocity method here, that I'm going to show you in a second. But now you have to do the research once if your page started growing here. But how you're going to do the research on each of these hashtag? Under this, each of these hashtag, guys, you have to see these three things: the amount of post you will get in that hashtag, and the average amount of like, and the average amount of comments. Okay, each of the hashtag of all of these hashtag. Okay, make sure it should be relevant, and then guys you have to segmentize those hashtag by using hashtag segmentation. Okay, so this is something here you can see. What I'm going to do, like I'm going to find the hashtag 5 hashtag of 10k to 50k post in that. Okay, the amount of post in it should be like 10k to 50k, right? 5 hashtag, then 50k to 100k, that is 5 hashtag, and that 100,000 to 500,000, right, 10 hashtag, and then 500,000 to 1 million of 5 hashtag. Even here you can create one group is enough of 100k to 500k of 15 hashtag, that is also good here. Okay, and then 5 hashtag which is specific to that exact post. To calculate the engagement velocity of the post, the average amount of like and comments, let me find one hashtag, right, between like 10k to 50k. Okay, so I already have, right, so many of this hashtag which I already did the research. So let me find one of this, right, that is called manifesting your dreams. Here you can see this hashtag is relevant to my niche as well as my account, and then have like 10,000 posts here. So how I'm going to find the engagement velocity? So I'm going to plus all of the 9 post likes here, all the top 9 posts. Okay, 2027 plus 287 plus 128, 160, 102 plus 136, 1300 and 161 and 147. So close to, if I divide by 9, I'm going to get like somewhere between 300 likes. Then I'm going to see my account, right, how much likes I'm getting here. So if you can see, this is a very new account, that's why this engagement velocity is not going to work here. Okay, so here you can see this, I'm getting like 30-40 likes only. So I will go with this only right now. Okay, because, right, instead of calculating engagement velocity, I'll more focus on the size. Okay, 10k post and 50k post, and then later once my account reached to almost like 1,000 followers and started getting like 100 likes each of this post, then I'm going to do this engagement velocity, right, which I showed you in each of my hashtag, all of this hashtag. Okay, and then I'm going to create, guys, 3 set of this hashtag, because 3 to 6 hashtag, and I'm going to post 4 to 6 time using this hashtag. For example, if I'm posting 6 time in a day, then I'm going to use 2 posts with this hashtag, 2 posts with this hashtag, something like that. Okay, or else it is better to create like, right, 6 hashtag with 6 posts, okay, in a day. More you post with more hashtag, more exposure your account will get, and your account will grow if the content is good, which I already showed you in the beginning. So this is the strategy which always work to grow, right? You can also use the tools, but right now we are not going to talk about any tools here in this video. I'm going to make a different video for that. So hope you really like this method which I showed you, this strategy of hashtag research as well as content remodeling. With this you can really grow your account. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do Instagram marketing with a marketing strategy. That means how to promote an affiliate product with Instagram with a strategy, so that you can get sales even if you have a very less followers. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, smash the like button right away right now, subscribe my video, and share this video to your loved one.